Hello guys, let's go and try to create this amazing intro for the God series. I create this. You can see how amazing it is. Look at the fire in the background. It's really cute and amazing. Okay, how we can create it? We just create a new slide. We have this thing here. What we do now, we are going to create this thing here. We insert a rectangle as always and create a text box also here. Insert text box. We write GOT in text box, make it impact, increase the size to 300 as I'm not forgotten. 300 is good. Now we select all and the shape format and make them combine. Now we have the shape we want. We say format background and make it gradient fill, but the fill gradient is like this. And after doing that, we need to add these options. How we can add them? We just need to go to insert 3D models. Wait a little. You can find them in 3D models. I don't remember where, but it's easy to find them. You can search for them and find them. After finding them, you just copy them and make them, copy them and make them in the right place with the right angle. I just copy them all because it's boring and we can do it. After that, we just copy this slide to new slide. And the important thing is that I use some video here. You can see it's the fire video. I just copy that and paste it here and send it to back. For the fire spec, I download this video. You can download so many free fire videos for your work. There are many of them and all of them are free for use. You just need to download them, and after downloading that, send the transition to morph, and now your work is done. See the fire rise. It's great and amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell me your opinion in the comments. And we have many other templates and courses. Don't forget to watch them. Have a good night.